Welcome back to Q12 TMT. In this video, we'll show you how to manage test suites and create test cases. Use this option to create a new test suite. Enter a clear and descriptive name, optionally add additional information, and your test suite is ready to go. All test suites follow an initial sorting order. When newly created, they first appear at the end of the list. You can reorder them at any time via drag and drop. For example, to arrange test suites chronologically or by relevance. Now let's add a new test case to our test suite. The core of a test case is the defined test path, consisting of preconditions, actions, and expected results. For documentation and maintenance, two editing modes are available: the code mode with markdown syntax, and the visual mode with real-time formatting in a user-friendly interface. You can also define core details such as status or responsibility. A source reference, like a requirement ticket or specification. Add attachments, such as screenshots or technical documents, and assign a business logic risk. This risk can also be calculated automatically using a tool-based algorithm. It is part of the risk-based testing strategy in Q12 TMT and helps focus test efforts on the most critical areas. Once the test case is complete, it's ready to use, visible in the test suite, and available for test runs. In read mode, a test case can also be printed, copied, or moved, for example, into other test suites. Changes can be made anytime using the edit mode. The test history gives you a clear view of all changes, even across users. The automatically generated version delta shows which test cases were newly created or modified compared to the previous version. In the test run section, you can also track older test cases that have already been used, including status and result history. This supports a clear assessment of test stability over time. If a test suite contains many test cases, it makes sense to add folders to keep things organized, especially in large projects. Test cases and folders within a test suite can be arranged and reordered freely, just like test suites themselves. You now know how to build and organize test suites and test cases in a structured and efficient way. In the next video, we'll focus on creating test runs, executing test cases, and documenting test results. See you soon!